Right away, you will be able to see the stud's exact position behind the wall. So next, I tried to mark where my edges were and the center of the studs. I did this for both of the studs. It will also detect wires, as you can see here where I had to redo the wiring on the light fixture, and it detects the pipes. It even worked on the shower wall tile where I knew exactly where the beams were. And it's pretty big size, so in comparison to my iPhone 10, it's a little bigger. I think you're supposed to put it like this. Let's see. And that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Find the Wallabot app on your app store and download it. Next, open the app. It prompts you with their terms and conditions, so hit agree. Then it asks you, do you have a device? So press yes, and then you will have to create an account. Then hit next step, and it will tell you to start rotating the device counterclockwise until the calibration screen says completed. Then select image mode and press start scanning. Right away, you will be able to see the stud's exact position behind the wall. So next, I tried to mark where my edges were and the center of the studs. I did this for both of the studs. It will also detect wires, as you can see here where I had to redo the wiring on the light fixture, and it detects the pipes. It even worked on the shower wall tile where I knew exactly where the beams were.